What's up, Bacon Army? This is Jandar09 on the road, and we're doing a third part of the drill solo, guys.
Solo guys.
Yes, this is my grandpa, by the way. To be honest,
To be honest,
can you stop?
ano to be honest?
Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop, please? Can you stop?
No,
I'm doing a solo. Please
I'm not
stop.
stopping.
Bo wanted to join.
I'm continuous to bully you. I'm bullying you.
I'm your grandson, man.
I like to bully you.
Can you stop? You don't know English. You don't know English, man.
No,
I'm doing a. Let's
I
speed
know.
one.
I know about
Let's
English.
just
I
speed
know
one this.
about English.
I'm speed running, okay? I'm speed running. So do not disturb.
Yeah.
Can you stop that, please?
Yeah.
I'm gonna rage right. Oh! I'm doing solo. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I'm really mad now. I'm really mad. I'm mad. So
You
mad.
mad?
Can you stop, please?
You mad? Mad what? You mad what?
Can you stop? Why can't you stop? You.
I like to speak with you.
At least I'm not bald.
I'm going to speak with you.
At least I'm not bald. I'm doing a solo, okay? Yes.
You know, I love you. You know how much I love you.
Ah, this is my. Ah, no, the sunlight.
You know how much I love you.
Can you stop, please? I'm doing solo, please. I'm doing something.
Joaquin,
What?
do you know how much I love you?
Yes,
How much?
1,000,000%.
I love you very, very much.
Beyond infinite. Where am I? Oh, I'm
Guys,
burning.
I love you.
Does someone has a sound screen? I'm burning. Oh, I'm not burning anymore. It's a. Ah, wait.
Bye.
We gotta put the call. We gotta speed one bit for night. Seriously? You're not the driver, Cole. Oh, that he's gonna escape. Tell you now. Speedrun mode. We gotta put this onto speedrun mode, okay? Putting on speedrun mode. Just find a house. Okay? This is not it. You buy three coal and one bandage. Because if you don't buy three coal, you're screwed. Man. Hurry up, guys, hurry up. I got my eyes on you, Grandpa. I got my eyes on you. Oh, God damn, I'm lagging. Man, if I disconnect, I'm gonna rage. What's happening here? Dude, I'm lagging. Wait. Boy, bulok ang wifi ninyo. Naglalago. I told you. This would stop if I showed it to somebody else. Stop. Good thing we stopped. I'm raging right now.
Joaquin, sino mas pabigyan yung ipit nito? Dali, kulay-pula.
Okay, Grandma. English, please. English, please.
Please get the ponytail.
Ponytail?
The water.
You're actually good at English, Grandma. She's not good at English. Ooh, good thing, yes. Oh. Where is the... There we go. We need coal. All of this. By the way, I'm getting one zombie. I mean, two zombies. Can I just rest for a minute? It's for looking. I knew it. I literally knew it. I knew it so much. I seriously knew it. Good thing I knew it. Okay, this is the painting. Just to keep me protective. Okay, now this is the coal where you will rather put. And then this is the bird wire where no one is about to. Seriously, no one is getting on. Oh, machine gun. Okay. Let's just put it on right there. Okay, no. Oh. Huh. Oh. It's turning nighttime, guys. Forever. Oh, it's a zombie night. I don't care. I'm just gonna AFK for a bit, guys. Can you just help me, please? Where is the... Hindi naman ako. Can you give me some time, please?
Ha? Ano na? Gagawin mo? Mula ako master ha. Bibili na akong sorry ha. Baka na master ha.
I am good. Now let's go, guys. I'm gonna get something right there. I know. Can't I can't find it. I can't find it anywhere. Oh, still regenerating. Good thing I can regenerate. You guys scared? Meh. Let's just go to the blue houses are fine, but the blue burning houses is not fine. It's not fine, okay? This gave me an idea. Let's dance with the wolves. I want to dance with the wolves.
Naamoy mo ba ako?
Let's dance with the wolves, okay? We need this. Seriously, bro? Your brother's trying. Man, seriously trying to attack me here. Now put this barrel right here. No one will get to. Yeah, no one will get to them. Okay, now. Let's throw it. Man, your brother dead. It's good that I am still alive. It's good that I am still alive, okay? I just found the house there. So we gotta stop. Stop. That's the house. Stop! Stop the train! Oh god. Oh, let's go. There we go. just I do not like being solo. I do not turret ammo, that's what I need. Turret ammo is just what I need. Turret ammo. Right over here. And then newspaper is right gonna be here.
Balikan na lang, dalawang balik.
Okay, now no one will get past. We'll put the zombies in. There we. No one should leave any zombie left.
Sandali lang.
Let's go, hurry up guys. Let's hurry. And I can't do a solo team. The time that I solo, yes, it got worse. I was trying to defeat the boss but I died to a bunch of ugly zombies. Oi, ugly fellas. We gotta get them on. Stop. What the right timing? We gotta kill them all. Hey you! What was that? Hey, yes sir! The barbed wire is hurting me out here. Let's go! The barbed wire. Let's go. Now you dead, man. Who want to be next? Oh, you want to be next? Oh, you want to be next? Man, I can handle you all. I'm like babysitting a little chumps. No zombie left behind.
Pat,
Right on your bum.
hindi na po yung ano. Hindi, wala. Nasa taas kami eh. Nanay mo lang dito eh.
Seriously?
Sabi nga nanay mo, hindi rin nakuha yung plastic eh.
Seriously?
Ha?
Wow. Chill.
Ano no?
That's way too much. 6245. 66245.
Wala ka ba extra dyan?
And then here we go. Let's get all the bones, man.
Yung ano, nagawa mo na.
Get all the bones. We gotta claim them. Get gold. We are not leaving anything behind. One gold plate.
Okay.
Hell no, you cannot come. I almost died. Get away from me. I almost died from there. Phew! Good thing I got. Let's go. And now we got to put it right over. Wow! Bow! I'm gonna die. Boom! Back there. We gotta get one zombie. Is there any zombie that can... Thank you, man. Oh, hell no, not the bomber! Oh, man, it took out a lot of zombies, but it's okay. Now you die. Everyone was invited and then you're dead. Oh, another Molotov. Yes, sir. I don't need you, lightning, please. I'm sorry, but I don't need you. You gotta look at every... Ooh. A heal. That's so good. I can't see.
Alam mo gusto ng baby ko eh.
Let's see. Do we wait? Yeah, let's wait. Let's put it. Wait, wait. No! It's just the lightning. It's just a little lightning. Cause I'm there it goes. Okay, let's just wait until morning. Then I'm scared. Where's the music? I'm too scared. I'm too scared. I'm too scared now.
Mamaya.
Oh, good thing that. Okay. It's like there's no barbed wire anymore. But there is barbed wire. It's like there's no barbed wire here anymore. But you can see. If you look at it. What did you? Rifle ammo. No, I don't have any ammo. Oh, no. I'm gonna throw a Molotov. And then if it lightning strike, yes, we're dead. No, I'm not throwing a Molotov anymore. A good thing. Let's go! Oh, I forgot that. Where is the crucifix? Where's the battle? Huh? Where is even the great disguise? Only one crucifix? Yeah, that's good. We're gonna use the crucifix only for the boss. So we're putting this crucifix only right here. And all the items? Yeah, goofy items. Goofy items. Goofy Goofy cane. Let's go. Oh, I forgot that. Alrighty. No. We need to go to the doctor, okay? If we found the doctor, we immediately go there. Now I need Stop. Good. Hello didn't stop. We're not selling this. We're only using it for safety things. Now let's sell them. We gotta save others, okay? The crucifix na, I don't need you. Valuable weapon, sell na. By the power of God, I believe in God. Let's put it right here. Let's put it right here. Let's get this all. 325. Not bad. Let's go to the gunsmith. I wanna buy the rifle gun. We always do this. The rifle gun. I threw it away so fast. Yes. You got to do it like that so it's faster, not like the other ways. Okay? Are you ready? Yes, sir. I'm super ready, but not super ready. We gotta buy a lot of snake oils. I mean, only 2 snake oils. Yes. And 5 bandages. We gotta do this. Hey. Let's pick them up. Are you ready? Let's go! I don't need the snake oils. It's just... What do we man? But I'm taking a dynamite. Just in case. And I'm taking a load of... Oh, not a load. We're taking a barbed wire. Okay, like that. Put these two somewhere on the terrain, like this specific place. Right here. I would get sunburned. Well, I'm getting sunburned. So we gotta put the dynamite. This is the dynamite we need to use. I'm getting low. Let's get 1 bandage, okay? Bye, people. We better look for outpost. Oh, Tesla! Man, we're so lucky. It's right over there. It's just right over there. And then if we kill them all, I gotta get that. Where's the... We gotta get 1. Oh hell na, it got dark. I'm not gonna see. I could have just go to the train. What is this light? Man, it's scary. What the heck is this? That scared me. Moving. No one's moving. I'm dead. Nah, bro. Why are you dancing? That scared me. Let's... Wait! How did you get that? Oh, I can't. Kill it. Let's watch the zombies. I love it when it goes this. Seriously? Who did you get that? What? How? Hell no. No, stop dancing. Okay. Finally, it's morning. Where was the Tesla? You can find it. Oh, right there. Did you know the fastest way to defeat the Tesla boss is actually just waiting or just hiding in one place like that? That's the way. Shh! Yeah, making a video. Please English. Please English. Finally. Please. Can you shut up, please? Now we're getting this. And then up here. But first, God, I need. That's literally scary. Let's just and stand right there. So where's the scientist? Can't find them. No. The bad thing is I didn't bought a lot of ammo. Oh hell na. Oh hell na. There are a lot of them. That's the way. No. One away. One away. Where's the snake oil? Drink. Hurry up to the safe zone. Hurry up, the snake oil. Faster. Good thing I'm fast. We're fast. Safe zone. Over there. Yes, sir. LMAO plus ratio plus get a job, lol. They're killing a lot. Man, they're killing a lot. Damn. And I guess they're dying. Let's just wait until they are all gone. And then, okay, nothing spawning now. Let's go. Ah, hell na. They're still spawning. Seriously? Man, I need something. Man, you're dead. Man, they hurt a lot. Why do they hurt a lot? They seriously hurt a lot. I guess there's nothing spawning anymore. Yup, they're definitely not spawning. The Tesla is first time. This is literally my first time doing this. Yes, sir. Electrocution. We got a lot of bones now. Let's go. Whoa, did they mess it up? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I thought you were gone. Hell no.
Nakahingi ano. Lenny, ano. Wakin sa nilagay sa
Ano yung
cellphone
cellphone ng
ni
kapatid mo?
What? Upstairs.
Ay, nasa taas
Kunin mo,
daw.
kunin mo.
Binigay ko nga kay Jojo. Bibigay ko nga kay Jojo.
Ay, binigay na raw sa ika. Sa Miniwan.
Let's test this. Ay! I love this electrocutioner. Hey! Oh. I shouldn't have used that. I just tested it out. I'm sorry, guys. So sorry. Let's just go now. We will defeat the boss later. Electrocutioner is lit. The electrocutioner is fire, man. This is my first time getting this. I think this is worse.
Sa mo nilagay, Wakin?
Sa third floor, bibigay ko nga kay Jajay kaso inaano niya. Hindi nga.
Sa pa, sige, kunin mo.
Sa third floor nga.
Kunin mo, sige.
Ay,
Kasama ka kay birthday yun.
wait guys. Wala po si Kuya Dingding eh.
Pinakitun mo na.
Wala nga po si Kuya Dingding.
Nakuha ko na ako ka, di ba?
Kakahin.
Sino ba yun? Makaari.
Just where is the 15 more meters? 15 meters. We're not using the electrocutioner. We're using what is on the boss. Stop. Okay. So that's her. Let's just stop for a little like that. Sa third floor po. Where's the... Hey, you, where's the... Bro! Ayun! Cheese.
Kaya mo pala, taon?
Yes.
Kaya mo na dati?
Hell no! Not this!
Ay, that is here. Ano?
I hate that. I hated that guy.
What's up in the boom box? I think there's a boom box in here. Hey,
We only need
English?
or Spanish. Where is the literal fire? Where's the literal fire? Bro! One.
Yeah.
Brother, this guy stinks. Hell na. Molotov!
Ah, there's so many.
Molotov! You're dead, man. You're all dead. Line them up.
They're not dead.
No, they dead. Can you help me for a little? Thanks, man. Wow! How did... Nah.
Stay back.
Not Not them. Not him.
Diba?
No!
Oh,
I hate it, this guy. Good thing, headshot. I headshotted that guy. I gotta search out my guns. Man, nah, you did! Stay already, man. Accidentally didn't check it. Let's just get the crossbow, not bad. It's okay. Don't even need the crossbow. Nothing. Okay, nothing. There's nothing else. Is there any fire here? You remember that? You remember the thing that I just bought the? I accidentally did cut the. Where's the? There we go. 36255. 36255. 36255. 3 and then 6. And then 55. We got to do this. Let's go. Put this on. I didn't even need it. Hey, chill! I'm gonna die. Oh, there's only one more bandage left. Man, this sucks. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, and then. That's all. Now let's just explore the bank. Oh, hell na. I'm about to die here. Hey, zombies! Give me luck. No. Bro. I'm about to die here. Horses! Yes, of course, horses. We used horses as death. Now I'm saving you both. Come on, Nino. Let's go. We put the horses here if we are dying. They are the heal. Oh, hell nah. It's a werewolf night. I hate werewolf night. Not the werewolf night. If we see any house, just ignore it. Even if it's good. Nah, that's a balloon house. Good thing it's not good. Isa. Oh, hell na. I'm dead. Run away. Please, no. Ask for it. No. Electrocution. You are seriously. We're cooked. I almost died. It was scary. My heart started racing. By the way, where's the other? Where's the others? Bro, seriously? About to die. No! I guess that's it, guys. Watch the other videos, okay? Bye.